What's going on, guys? It's Fried Rice Tactical here. Today I'm going to be showing you some gameplay I caught over the weekend from Combat Pursuit Airsoft over here in Pickering, Ontario. And today we're going to be playing Capture the Flag. So both teams basically have their own flag, and the only objective is to take the flag and bring it back to your spawn so you can win the game. For this round, I'm going to be using the Specna Arms J73 AK style rifle. And without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and let you just enjoy the gameplay. Cheers.
Let's go! Yeah, watch the holes.
Careful, be careful.
Watch center! Whoa! 11 o'clock! Contact! One down! Colby! Post up here! I'll cover you! One down! Oh, hit!
I hear a simpleton over there. Yep. Let's see. Hey.
Hit! Nice shot, man! Straight ahead. He's down. I kind of want to push up. Like, we just got 3 guys down in this angle.
No.
But yeah, I got 2 guys. One down. Close up left side. Just so you know, you're not in my way. Yeah. Just hold this angle. We can't let them get through here.
Where's their spawn at? Right there?
We're facing their flat. Straight ahead! By the tree line. By the flowers. He's down. Man, I'm on a roll today. You know what? I'm done sitting down here. I'm pushing. Oh. Ah, my God, my leg. Kobe, right side. Right side. Whoa. Oh, hit. Kobe,
John Rambo type.
Get the f out of my way. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead.